je pense qu'au bout de 2-3 mois, on avait quelque...
I think that after 2 or 3 months, we had something that started to resemble to the almost final product with all the features. That's the huge advantage I find with 3D printing. It's that we are extremely efficient and super reactive.
Hyper efficace, on est hyper réactif.
We create wall-mounted ant farms, environments, ecosystems, so that people can watch ants develop.
C'est des conceptions modulaires.
These are modular designs because we started with the desire to create a design product that you would want to place a little bit everywhere, at home, on the walls, on a desk.
Comme tout écosystème.
Like any ecosystem, there will also be things to store, to put and charge your phone, a weather station, a clock. The idea is to create a full environment that can host ants when there are ants. And then, when there is a little period where the ants have to go into wintering, into hibernation, we can put something else instead, and it still remains. Super visual, super nice. We had looked a little into the injection side, but actually, it's not the same spirit. We realise we had to make hundreds of small modifications. We need to react based on this, that we perceive from the evolution of ant colonies. So we really have a model that works with 3D printing, and it allows us to be, indeed, super reactive.
Ça permet d'être en effet super réactif.
Compared to injection, the constraints of 3D printing are completely different from injection. And I found that very limiting on the creative side because there were lots of small constraints, things that have to fit into each other, and that means we wouldn't have been able, I think, to produce a product like the one we have released.
When not long ago, I asked Jean-Mi to add water tanks to be able to have good humidity control for the ants. If we had started mass production, we would have been stuck on that. 3D printing is really our business plan for now.